he's active now.
Our dentist don't let him go.
Yeah, if you just kind of hold him like you see people hold chickens.
Hold him by his feet.
Yeah. If he'll perch there.
Yeah, he's on the finger there.
There you go.
Hey, buddy. Of course, the battery dead.
Okay.
He needed to think about that too. He is pretty.
Yes, they are. Keep like you good when you're wet. No.
Look at them legs,
Yeah.
That
Is it
right
big?
goofy.
I think it went to his nose, something went to his nose.
That's, he's got nasal openings right there.
Yeah. I'm talking up above,
Yeah,
right?
you can
where-
see the hole right at the top.
Yeah, right where it goes into his skin.
Vehicle makes one of them.
Happy City Yard.
Okay. Keep looking in that drawer and there's Q-tips in there.
What are there? Mm-hmm.
So, what are you talking about with the
Look, it's,
way up high?
yeah.
I mean, his beak looks pretty good.
You don't have a hole in it up there, or it's like it's cracked, right where it goes into his face at the top.
Maybe it just looked like that.
Maybe it's just dirt or something.
No, his beak looks good.
Okay.
Well, that's
Even
good.
better.
I know, you don't like the bright light.
Somebody's not happy.
Trina, you come over here and hold. I want you to hold his head like this, like I got his head. Just he will try to turn and bite you.
Oh,
so,
good.
So just hold his head. Just if you hold up underneath his little neck like that,
Around the neck right there.
he can't turn around. Yep, perfect. 'Cause I have to spread his eyelashes.
Don't let go.
Yeah, don't let
Yeah,
go. He
okay.
will bite me.
Okay.
Somebody's losing a finger.
No pressure.
Mm-mm.
My ophthalmology instructors would be extremely impressed with me right now. So his optic disc looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Birds are difficult to assess, but it does look good. The cornea looks good. As far as I can tell. There's some streaks on the back of the retina, probably from hemorrhage. Corneas do look a little bit cloudy. Alright, can we bring him over a little bit further so I can look at this other one? Tag, hopefully.
I mean,
Here it is. Okay.
Are you live?
Just show up.
So retinal detachment is hard to assess if you don't have an ultrasound. This eye could be detached. It looks like there's a fold down there. At the bottom. So the retina sticks onto the back of the eye
Mm-hmm.
in a sheet, and that's what collects light.
Mm-hmm.
It's typically not painful, though. There looks to be a lot of hemorrhage in his eye.
What would have caused that?
Trauma,
Flew into
flew into
something.
Yes.
something, yeah. Typically, it's like flying something, object in motion stays in motion. So when the retina pulls away slightly, it bleeds. So let me just look at him overall.
You tell me when I'm
I'll
supposed to
take
let
his,
go.
yep, I'll take his head back.
Like right now?
Yep, you can let go.
Okay.
You ready?
Well, those work.
These work really well. So there's a few things we can do. We can give him some pain medication. I think he needs pain medication in time. So I think he's a good candidate for rehab.
Okay.
I don't think he should be euthanized, especially not today.
Right, right.
Typically, birds that perch are birds that are doing okay. But when it comes to these, they have to be, of course, have prey, so they have to be in a cage of prey or they'll just starve to death. But if somebody would work with him and, provide food for him, then I think he'll do okay.
Okay.
So he,
So he should go to that rescue.
yeah,
That'd be awesome.
Oh, they'll love it.
yeah,
Y'all said y'all gonna carry him to Enterprise?
yeah, I'm here to work.
Y'all can use this trap if you need to. I
Do y'all
mean, this
need
cage.
A little bit of pain medication now, or I don't know how the rehab or if they have access to anything like that.
They have meds and stuff over there, I don't know exactly what,
Okay.
but
I will-
I'll just take him just like he is.
Okay.
And,
And if they have any questions, they can call and ask me.
Okay.
That's fine. And if they need medication, I can give you medication.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah, if I can borrow your cage, that would be great.
Yeah.
Okay.
you can go from
Yeah, he doesn't seem like he's.
Look at your back.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
Isn't that bird?
Right.